Hi, good evening. It's Arthur from zebrahomecinema.com. I've just returned from visiting our client who's having his garage converted. Here's a summary of what's been going on this week.
Today the Control4 system's gone in. The Control4 system in this case is Control4 and it's a CA-1 processor, just looking after the home cinema. There is a Zigby light switch outside the door, which is controlling the downlights and the kickboard lights, small LEDs. Also today we've installed the LED controller. The LED controller is an Anthem AVR controller connected into Control4 using ArtNet drivers for some RGB lights, which haven't gone in yet, but these are where the RGB lights are going to go. I've added a Zigby IR unit for the moment because Apple's not the best for integration from my people. It can do well, it can be, it can't be, it messes around. So I put an IR in, so that's gone in today as well. And lastly, the 3-meter screen has arrived today. This is a projector, acoustically transparent 16:9 format, HD format screen. It's ready to go on the wall. The reason it hasn't gone on the wall yet, we haven't fit the speakers behind, so the speakers are still to go in. The projector's gone in, the Epson TW9400's gone in as well. That's going to be loud controlled by Control4. Also today, a Nest has been fitted for the heating control. Again, will be integrated into Control4 tomorrow. So, lots to do tomorrow. This is the dual channel dimmable Zigby controller for the lights, which is doing the main down lights and the floor kickers around the floor there. The Anthem amplifier has gone in today. The Control4 CA-1 on a shelf. There's a PoE switch already in place, so we're just tapping off this PoE Cisco switch with our links in here. Cables are dressed in. Not finished yet, I finish this tomorrow, but basically good practice, label all the speaker cables, not at the back of the amp. Label them as well somewhere where you can see them in the future. So if you label them right at the back of the rack, you're still having to get your head in there to see which cable they are. Label them back here, you can trace them back and you can find them nice and easy. Hey, this is the new Control4 Neeo remote control. We're just opening it mainly because it's like a kind of an iPhone presentation. So sleeve cover, nice matte black box with Neo, very kind of cool. And it opens up like so. I've lived with the Control4 SR 250s and 260s for years. I've used it for a day and already love it. It's the right size, it works really well. But what's nice about this as well is the way the presentation box is a drawer. And we open the drawer, take the drawer out, remove some of the documentation, and you get the nice braided power cord. You get a charging dock, which is really heavy and also magnetic. Yeah, you're paying for a presentation box, but the sort of the feel-good factor and the wow factor from it is really nice. It's something that I want customers to open as well, rather than me opening it and just putting it in the room. So I think to have it in a box like that is really nice. You can literally connect it to your system yourself, choose the room it goes in, does its software updates, downloads the room configuration, and you're away. It's really nice, and so far, with the time I've used it, it's been faultless. So it's a nice user controller for the room. There we go, the Control4 Neo remote. Put it back in its box before I get it dirty.